It is an honor to get to be back here. It seems like it's a fairly regular occurrence to be in this room and make an announcement. So congratulations. Congratulations on another opportunity for the San Antonio and this area and for the state of Texas. It's always a pleasure to be in this city. And it's always a pleasure on happy occasions like this. And I know that the mayor and the judge, they sing the praises of San Antonio on a regular basis. They sing in concert. And the fact is that this city has reached a point in its life, if you will, that the success story pretty much speaks for itself. But that does not mean that we're going to stop talking about San Antonio and the success and what all this city does and what it means to the state. All of us know, either directly or indirectly, the difficult economic times our country has endured for the past year or so. For that matter, the impact that has had on the Lone Star State. Texas businesses, families that rely on the workforce in the state to take care of their families. We all know the impact that is occurring around the world and across this country and even in Texas. And throughout these very challenging times, one thing has remained constant, and that's that business leaders know that Texas is a place that they want to be located. This is the land of opportunity. They know that our combination of low taxes and a fair legal system, a predictable regulatory climate, and a quality workforce can't be beat anywhere in America. And I want to say to Senator Vanderpute that she and her colleagues in the legislature, they get great credit for creating that climate in the state of Texas. And the latest employer to take advantage of our state's favorable business environment is Allstate Insurance, the nation's largest publicly held insurer. They rank 81st on the Fortune 500 list. I'm here to announce that Texas is investing $1.1 million out of our Texas Enterprise Fund to bring Allstate's new Bilingual Customer Information Center to San Antonio. That will allow Allstate to tap into the growing market of bilingual Americans, create up to 600 new jobs for Texans, along with an $11 million capital investment. This is exactly what the Enterprise Fund was created for, to close deals, to bring jobs to the state of Texas. We also created the Enterprise Fund to ensure that Texas businesses looking to expand stay here, so that I'm a big believer that states should compete against each other. That competition is good. Allstate joins a growing list of companies calling San Antonio home, thanks to the Enterprise Fund. Along with the efforts of this city and this county, I cannot say often enough that San Antonio, Bexar County really get it when it comes to economic development. We've had that conversation many times, and I hope we will continue to. This is the model for any city and county that wants to grow and be on the cutting edge of job creation. Should look to San Antonio as a great example of how to do it. Whether it was Medtronic, whether it was Rackspace, all the way now to Allstate. We're forging partnerships with a very wide range of industries, bringing jobs to Texans and increase prosperity to this region. Over the past 7 years, this approach has helped secure more than 54,600 jobs and more than $14.2 billion in capital investment that could have gone somewhere else. Here in San Antonio, Texas has invested nearly $66 million. That's accounted for more than 13,800 of those jobs. And it's efforts like this that keep jobs in Texas. And I might add, along with the paychecks that go along with them. And I happen to think, and I think most Texans do, that it's entirely worth that investment. Again, I want to say thank you to the senator, and I don't know whether Trey Fisher made it, but he and his colleagues and the senator and her colleagues on that side of the Capitol have really had that focus on creating jobs in the state of Texas and supporting the resources like the Enterprise Fund. So, Senator, I want to say thank you again to you for your partnership. It's a powerful tool. It's a powerful tool for closing deals, but we all know that it's everyday Texans. It's those entrepreneurs, the educators, the employees who make Texas the best place in the country to do business. So on behalf of those 24+ million Texans, I want to say to Allstate, thank you for making the right choice. As I told Mark, he's going to say a few words in a minute, but I talked to Tom Wilson, who's the head of Allstate yesterday, and the last request that I made of him was, Tom, when you go back and you sit down with the board and the decision makers at Allstate, you might as well start having the conversations about moving the headquarters of Allstate to Texas. So with that, let me introduce Mark Pitchford to you. He is the Vice President of Allstate. So Mark, if you would, please, sir. Thank you.
Thank you to Governor Perry, Mayor Castro, Judge Wolf, Senator Vanderpute, and to the San Antonio Economic Development Fund Foundation, and everyone who has helped bring us to this important day. It's a great day for the Allstate Insurance Company. It's a great day for San Antonio, a great day for the state of Texas, and a great day for the 600 Texans who will launch new careers with Allstate's new San Antonio Customer Information Center. Allstate is excited to join Governor Perry and other dignitaries assembled here today in announcing that we will open a new Customer Information Center here in San Antonio, a facility that will take the enthusiasm and energy of Texans across the whole country. As the 600 people employed at the center help keep consumers in good hands. Allstate considered several locations across the United States before choosing San Antonio. We decided on this city with the help of economic development officials in Governor Perry's office, Bexar County, the city of San Antonio. The relationships forged here will ensure that Allstate and the community will mutually benefit from this exciting announcement. This center, along with our two existing centers in Woodridge, Illinois, and in Charlotte, North Carolina, in partnership with Allstate's local agencies, we are here to take care of our customers, how and when they want to be served. This new facility, it's a 75,000 square foot facility. It's a key component of Allstate's roadmap for success in Texas and across the country. Work here in San Antonio will range from providing after-hours customer service for Allstate's local agencies to proactive customer calls, helping protect consumers today and prepare for a safer, more secure tomorrow. This new Texas Center will improve customer service by easing call volumes and expanding Allstate's bilingual capabilities. All or most of those working in the facility will be fluent in both English and Spanish. This is more than just about opening a new state-of-the-art facility to serve customers better. It's about expanding Allstate's already strong investment in Texas communities through the Allstate Foundation, through Allstate's Helping Hands employee and community outreach program. We're active participants in the communities where we live and where we work. This will be no exception in San Antonio. Given Allstate, more hands to make a difference and make San Antonio an even stronger place to live and to work. Again, my thanks to Governor Perry, to Mayor Castro, to Senator Vanderpute, to Judge Wolf for welcoming Allstate with open arms. Thank you.